Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create my African turquoise wire wrapped earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers. The brand I use is Lindstrom. 24 gauge wire of your choice. This is brass wire that has been antiqued. An ear wire. African turquoise nuggets, 2 different sizes. We have the little chips. And then we have the chunkier nuggets. Cut a 6-inch length of 24 gauge wire. We are going to form a wrapped loop at the end of the wire, bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, switch hands, and we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to remove it, trim off that little end, flatten our loop, and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. I just strung 3 inches of the nuggets. I picked out 3 of the smaller nuggets. Then I moved down to the bigger nuggets and 3 at the end. You will need to play with the nuggets a little bit, moving them back and forth, going one side to the other to try to get the beads as flat as you can so that when we bend it, you cannot see the wire. Now we're going to make our bend. We're just going up and I'm bringing it right here. Trying to hold that, and I'm going to pick up my chain nose pliers and grab that loop, and I'm holding that side down with my thumb just to start the wrap. So this wire is coming down. I want to grab that loop and I want to bend it up, and then I'm going to start wrapping my wire around the base of the loop, and I'm wrapping, it's right about 3 times. Now I'm kind of coming back in, tweaking the shape a little bit. Let's go to the other side. We're going to trim off that little length of the wire. We're going to fix our loop and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. Our last step is to grab our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. So I'm just going to open it, checking the sides. I think I'm going to go this side. Attach and close the wire. And there you have it. Super quick and easy how to create my African turquoise earrings. Be sure to scroll down and check out some of my other DIY videos. I love corresponding with beaders worldwide. If you have a question or a comment, I always answer everybody back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow me on Instagram at Denise Yezbak Moore for more daily beading inspiration. And I will see you next time.